Welcome to another trade recap where I'm day trading S&P futures on an Apex evaluation account. You can sign up for your own Apex account with my link in the description and use my coupon code for 50% off your first month and 50% off all recurring months. Just wanted to quickly recap the past few days of trading this evaluation account. Had a bit of a rough day on Monday, made some good trades early in the day, only to give it all back on some chasing entries in the afternoon, netting a loss of 264. Then on Tuesday, I took a few big trades off perfect setups and managed to net a profit of 797. The recording of my first trade today got messed up, but it was a small 2-point scalp on 2 contracts. Price moved pretty slowly and was super choppy leading up to the FOMC minutes release, so I decided to be extra selective today due to the increased risk of getting chopped out on slow price action. I take a stab long when I get bullish confluence from my indicators. I'm in this trade for a lot longer than I would have liked to, as price was just moving so slowly leading up to the FOMC minutes. Initially I was targeting 7 points, but after being in the trade for over 20 minutes, I decided to just scalp out for 5 points. I think I might have been a little too eager on this entry, as the AD bearish divergence honestly wasn't super apparent. It actually gets resolved on a big red candle that ends up stopping me out for a loss. I think I need to make my entries on more apparent AD divergences than this one. After getting stopped out of the last trade, I wait until the bullish AD divergence is a bit more obvious before re-entering long. This time, I add another contract at my entry point as I see AD bullish divergence increase and get rewarded when price does begin to pump. I take the first contract off for 2 points just in case a 9 EMA and VPOC acted as resistance and move my stop to break even to create a risk-free trade. I eventually take profit on my runner just below the golden pocket fib retracement level. I take another small 2-point scalp that I forgot to record, which netted another $96 in profit before the FOMC minutes release. I finally learned my lesson after all my previous FOMC day losses, and this time I decide to stay disciplined and not take any trades after the FOMC minutes release with this current evaluation account. However, you might have noticed that I now have 2 Apex evaluation accounts, one of which was a brand new one that I opened today to test out a brand new strategy specifically designed to capitalize on the insane volatility of FOMC price action. As you can see, this brand new account netted a total of $8,253 today, so this new strategy proved to be incredibly successful. I'm going to make a separate video explaining the strategy in detail that y'all definitely won't want to miss, so hit that subscribe button to make sure you're notified of when I post it. As for the primary evaluation account, we're now at 154,746, which is over halfway to the profit goal, and we still have the full $5,000 loss threshold to work with. I'm proud of myself that I was able to refrain from taking risky trades during the FOMC meeting with this account, and I think I leveled up in my self-discipline, which will definitely help me preserve capital going forward. As always, thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe so you don't miss my next video detailing my new strategy that I'll be implementing for every FOMC and CPI day going forward. This one's going to be a banger.